I would like to present to you a unique concept of a screwless hinge that is intuitive in assembly, disassembly, never gets loose thanks to this friction pad. This hinge can be configured in two ways: as a product-specific monoblock type hinge, or as a universal version compatible to all eyewear design. In the monoblock version, like the other version, it is intuitive and easy to assemble, disassemble. This is the universal version of the same hinge with the same function. This universal version is compatible to any eyewear design, does not interfere with the design, is also possible for any material, metal, injection, plastics, and functions exactly the same as the monoblock hinge for assembly, disassembly, and smooth function. One of the many advantages in having an intuitive, easy on, easy off hinge is to allow for a multitude of temples for fashion or function. One could think of sensors on the temple tips to monitor health activities or sports activities, allowing for easy swaps of temples and never experiencing a downtime on an expensive eyewear.